Assalamualaikum, welcome to Farm and Farm, and today we will discuss the fourth stage of the tablet compression cycle, and this stage is known as the ejection stage or ejection of the tablet from the die cavity. This stage is the last stage of the tablet compression process, and in this video we will learn how the tablet is removed out of the die after the compression process. So if you have not subscribed my channel, first of all do subscribe my channel, share this video to others, and let's start our topic. As you are familiar that there are four stages of the tablet compression process or tablet compression cycle is completed into four stages. First one is the filling, second one is weight adjustment, third one is the compression, and fourth one is the ejection. If you are not familiar with the first three stages, must buy the playlist of the tablet compression. The link of playlist is provided in the description, so you will be familiar with the first three stages as well. So now let's start the fourth stage, which is known as the ejection. After the tablet is compressed in the die cavity, it is necessary to remove this tablet from the die cavity to continue the cycle of the compression. Mean when the tablet is removed from the die cavity, this die cavity is again filled with powder, weight is adjusted, pressure is applied, and again it is ejected. So this cyclic process continues until the compression of the whole batch. Now what happened and what is the science involved in the ejection of the tablet from the die cavity? We will take the help of this diagram to understand all this process. First stage is the filling, mean from hopper is filled into the die cavity, and second stage is the weight adjustment. Third stage is the application of pressure, where pressure is applied by the two compression rollers and tablet is compressed. Suppose that our tablet is compressed at this point in the die cavity. So how this tablet will come out of the die cavity? For this, the tip of lower punch play an important role, and along with the tip of lower punch, ejection cam is also the one of the main important contributory factor. So how the tablet is removed? Suppose here the tablet is just compressed at this stage and our lower punch is moving at its normal track, but to remove the tablet from the die cavity, it rides over the ejection cam. Whenever it rides over the ejection cam is like a slope. When it rides over ejection cam, the tip of the lower punch starts to move upward in the die cavity and push the tablet out of the die cavity. In the stage 2, you can see that as the punch head rides over the first corner of the ejection cam, the tip is moved upward and it is pushing the tablet from out of the die cavity. In the third stage, you can see that when the punch head is at the maximum height of the ejection cam, the punch tip push the tablet and tablet come out of the die. When the tablet come out of the die, it strikes with the swipe of blade. This swipe of blade is attached with the back side of the feeder. Mean here we have on one side tail over die, and on the back side we have the swipe of blade. When this tablet strike the swipe of blade, this blade guide this tablet to the discharging chute, and from the discharging chute, compressed tablets are collected into the containers. So it was all about the phenomena or science involved in the ejection of the tablet. For brief overview, the tablet is ejected from the die cavity with the help of ejection cam and the tip of the lower punch. One of the most important question is that what is the difference between the upper punch and lower punch? You can see the video, the link of video is provided in the description. The punch tip is also known as the stem of the punch. So the lower punch has the longer stem or longer tip as compared to the upper punch, and the reason is that this longer stem help to eject the tablet from the die cavity after its compression. So if you like the video, share it to others, subscribe my channel, also visit the complete playlist of the compression. You can also visit granulation, coating, HVAC, clean rooms and interview preparation playlist on this channel. Just visit the channel Pharma Inform and click the button of the playlist. You will find many informative videos on this channel. If you like the video, share it to others. Visit my website pharmainform.com, and till the next video, Allah Hafiz.